going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Now, our featured Habanos brand of the month this month is Bolivar. Now, Simon Bolivar was one of the greatest historical figures of the 19th century who liberated much of South America from Spanish rule. The Bolivar brand was created in 1902 and is based today at the Partagas factory in the heart of Havana. So week one of our featured Habanos brand of the month, and we are starting off strong. Very strong. We are starting with the Bolivar Belicosos Finos. Now, without doubt, one of the most recognisable full-bodied cigars in the world. But how does it taste? So you're going to get real creamy, peppery sweetness all the way throughout the cigar with a hint of cedar that's just going to trail along the back note. There is also some cinnamon, but like I said, it is a full-body cigar and it's really going to demand your attention from first puff to last. Savour every single note that is in this cigar. It's a 5.5 by 52 and it is just beautiful. Now, if you know a little bit about us, you know that Mitchell Orchard absolutely adores these cigars. So much so that he's even brought out his own 55th birthday edition. So if you want to try one of these or one of the 55th birthday editions, head over to the website. It's C.Gars.com. That's C-G-A-R-S.com. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know if there's any other featured brands that you'd like to see from us. Until next time, peace.